Hey everyone, what's up? This is NZ Carey, back with another video of stuff that I have made in Minecraft and other stuff. Um, s- uh, this series is starting to turn into what I can do with other people's ideas and how I can expand on them and create bigger and better versions of their tutorials. So like the EATS system here, it's a lot longer than the tutorial ones. Plus our elevator is really big, and our downward elevator here is completely my own design. After I could not figure out another one. There's Cock Tower, which has changed to have a fiery head, no splooge, and is longer. Upon the request of my roommate. Mario is now wearing a fire suit, as well as the one-up mushroom is now glaring with red eyes, or with fiery eyes rather, and has fiery green spots instead of just regular green. But what I want to tell you about today is two new things I have going on. First is my new mod, which will allow me to which allows me to create stuff really quickly, without much effort. If I want to make a really big thing, let's say a really long EATS system like the one back that you can kind of see back there. It's the longest one I have created yet. I'm expecting to create another one to come down and just come down here, but I still have to figure stuff out. Maybe the mega object will go here. But I have now the single player commands tool, and with it, I have set up for us a target for my new creation, which is the Imperial Avenger cannon. This is an incredibly accurate cannon. It's not my design at all. In fact, I followed a tutorial by Zerum's Hero. I think that's his name. I'll have to go back and check. But yeah, it's his design. It's his sixth version. Calls it the axe system because of this here, which allows you to change how it's fired and everything. I'll explain all that either later on in the video or probably in another one when I show this thing completed. Which right now it's not. It's got missing a lot of the aesthetics. It's got a little bit of damage on it from some misfires from testing I did earlier today. But it's all functional right now. So we are going to fire this thing. And our target today is way up there. So that just gives you an idea of how far away things we can hit. That's I think it's a 3-foot thick wool wall. We might actually change that to other materials. We'll try glass or some other stuff and see how TNT affects it. But right now we are going to load it up to hit that, and I'm going to load it like this. Come on. Alright. Now the way this system works is by using different placements of TNT to affect the angles and how far your TNT goes. It's all activated by this button. And so this is a brand new combination. We'll try it, and here we go. Let me just check to make sure I didn't do something wrong. Nope. We are all good. And bam! And wow, see, there it is. It was going so fast, it lagged out of my view for a second. But that's the holes that we put in our wall, and I'm gonna actually reset the day to time to daytime so that we can see this thing clearly. I could sleep in my bed, but now I can just do it right here. Time day, and now we are at apparently day 87 for this Minecraft world. So I've gone through quite a few days building stuff and everything. But it's only been a few days for me. So that one had a lot of power. I'm gonna cut down on the power, see where that leaves us. So that's a lot less TNT than last time. And here we go. Looks like we're hitting here, here, and somewhere over there. So we need more TNT. And we're going to forget about the leftmost one because that is not hitting our target. Though I do want to hit the mountain. That's why I have this set up this way and facing this way. Because this system actually can be used in any direction you want. As you'll notice, the TNT is going backwards. It always jumps to the east when it's fired originally, or lit off originally. And I'll show you a close-up of that. Assuming I don't die. I don't actually have my armor on right now, so as you can see, I'm naked, or as naked as I can be in Minecraft. And there we go. So let's do. That should be good. Firing cannon test. Hitting wool wall. Shot number, what is this? 3? 3. There we go. And it's off. And we've got one hole there, so I'm gonna switch to just the center one. That seems to be working the best. And a brand new TNT configuration. Let's see how much power we can get out of this one. Ooh. And we hit right there. That's great. Now we're going to try that again, and we'll see how big of a hole we can get. I think that's the configuration we had last time. Firing in 3, 2, now. Now. Woo! Oh, wow, that thing went really far that time. Alright, so I've had enough of a firing at wool. Let me change this to glass, and we'll see how that affects it. And then I gotta go because my time is almost up. So / set glass, and now we have a glass wall to fire at, and it's completely clear and everything. We can see our TNT hitting it. So let's do a configuration that I know is going to hit, which is, I believe, that one. My earlier testing. And we'll see what it does. Wow, let's check out the damage on that. Wow. As you can see, I put this thing actually right through this little floating mountain here, which I actually really hated alive. Oh my god. You can see all the wool from our last testing. It's all inside the glass. Look at the hole we put in this glass. That's with one piece of TNT made a crater-sized hole. You know what I'm going to do real quick? I am going to, since I know where I have set the second point, I am going to quickly expand this outward a little bit. Make a thicker wall. And take out our trusty one. Set the second point there. P / set glass. Not glass. Glass. And now we have a much thicker wall. Though it's not quite as far down as you can see. I messed that up a little bit, but it doesn't matter. We're probably only gonna have one chance to fire this off once or twice to see the destruction of this, and then we'll have to get going. This is actually the second time I've done this video, but and I'm going to be going to go eat because it's actually morning here at school. Come on. There we go. So, firing thick glass block in 3, 2, 1. And it looks like something happened. Let me try firing this thing real quick. Make sure that it, hopefully it was just a little small malfunction. And it's not something that is going to cause me to have to go fix. I'm going to, there we go. It's fired up. Whoops. Right into the water there. So let's try this again. Firing glass block, wall, heavily loaded TNT, in 3, 2, 1. Oh, we took out the island. I've been trying to do that for a while, but no, we didn't hit the wall, so let's try this again. Too much TNT. Come on, quickly, before we run out of time. There we go. Firing, 3, 2, now. Hit. Awesome! Yeah, you can tell I really like cannons. Just like I really like roller coasters and other neat stuff that uses glitches and stuff in the game, like this does. And wow, look at the hole we put in this glass. This is one piece of TNT hitting it. Wow. Wow, that's cool. Wow. Like, oh my gosh. Well, anyways, I'm gonna continue playing with my cannon, because it's really fun. I definitely suggest anyone who sees this to build this. Go to, look up the Imperial Avenger cannon tutorial to build actually this version of it, which has the axe system in it, and he'll tell you how to build it all perfectly. Mine is not complete. It's probably not built exactly because I probably messed it up somehow. As I mess up like everything I try and build some way or another. And what's down here? Run. And boom! Haha, so that just gives you a nice little test of how powerful TNT is. One thing I actually want to do is there's a mod that I found for pistons. I might make a piston cannon and use it to destroy and make a new mine or something out in the distance. But I gotta go now. Peace. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe to see more stuff. Thanks. Bye.